And welcome back to my world of food. It's the middle of the week, want something tasty, but we don't want to spend too long doing it, but it's still got to be quite good. So today we're going to do pork. Okay, you can do lots of different ways of doing your own roast potatoes, lots of good recipes. This is the middle of the week, don't want to mess around, I want it nice and quick. So, frozen potatoes, let them ease off and defrost. Then put a bit of salt, pepper on them, and then we're going to put some beef dripping on the tray. Okay, add the beef dripping. Oh, now this will melt and sort of semi-fry them, and this will give a lovely flavour as they cook. This is so quick, so easy so far. Okay, lesson on buying pork chops. When you buy a pork chop, do not buy lean pork chops. Lean pork chops do not have any flavour. These are the type of chops you should get. The ones with the rib in them, a little bit of fat, lovely and tasty. They cook, the fat melts, and these are the ones with the flavour. Lean pork chops do not taste nice. Never forget that. Okay, so now we start off, and the rind, if it goes crispy, the pork chop will curl up. So just get a pair of good scissors and cut the rind. It's a lot easier to eat when it's cut smaller like this, but B, it'll stop the chop curling up as it cooks. We have paxo, we have cayenne pepper, and we have eggs. It's that simple. Okay, so we beat the egg and put in the bowl. And 2 eggs should cover 4 chops. Now we stir the eggs up. Now when this is done, we add equivalent of a spoon of cayenne pepper. This gives it a nice bite, nice bit of flavour. Then add some salt. Just mix it up again evenly. And then dip the pork chop in the egg. And coat both sides in sage and onion. And these bad boys are ready to go. Now when coated, these boys are ready to go in the oven for about 25 minutes on about 190 gas mark 6. And there we have it. Nice traditional meal, pork chops, roast potatoes and peas, but done so that the pork chops don't dry out and have a lovely flavour. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like and subscribe.